Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, content creator, Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss here 19-week science assignment for the students of Standard 6. There are two questions from chapter 8. The topic's name is the mixtures. Assignment number 5. So let's see the question, then we will try to answer properly. So here assignment. There are two diagrams given here. A hot popped rice, that means ঝালমুড়ির একটি বাটি দেওয়া আছে। The next figure এর মধ্যে impure salt solution. Question number 1, which figure is the heterogeneous mixture and why it is heterogeneous? First questions. Number 2, by using paper from figure 2, write the technique of making the crystal of salt step by step. So there are two questions. Now we will try to answer here. The assignment solution, question number 1. Here, first question answer. Okay. The mixture in the first pot is the heterogeneous mixture. That means ঝালমুড়ি যে বাটি দেওয়া আছে এটি হচ্ছে heterogeneous mixture. So according to the question demand, we have to explain why this is heterogeneous. So now we can write here, the following is an argument in favor of my answer. So now reason why it is heterogeneous. A mixture is a mixture of two or more substances that come together to maintain their respective properties. The mixture in which the solvent and solute can be separated is called the heterogeneous. There is another name in the heterogeneous, asymmetric mixture. So I think you can use only the heterogeneous. As a mixture of sand and water, sand properties can be identified separately. And so it is the heterogeneous mixtures. So I think there is an example of heterogeneous. There are also colloid, suspensions, inclusions, etc. gels. These are the heterogeneous. So now we will compare these definitions with the ঝালমুড়ি. So now you can write here ঝালমুড়ি or in the pictures here given in your academic book. Also you can write this word, a hot popped rice. Also you can use this word. So now, from the answer, ঝালমুড়ি is made from the combinations of ingredients like চানাচুর, ginger, onion, chili, and coriander leaves. So that's we can say here that separately all ingredients from the ঝালমুড়ি we can separate it from the mixtures. That's why we can say these mixtures are the heterogeneous mixtures. It may be difficult for us, but it is possible to separate all ingredients from the mixtures. So now this is answer done. The second questions, answer to the question number 2, separating substance by crystallizations, the topic's name. The process of making the salt crystal from impure salt water is as follows. Now, first step 1, take 50 milliliter water in a beaker. Step 2, add the salt in it and stir it. Number 3, now heat the solution, or also you can write here the mix, heat the mixtures of the solutions. Step number 4, repeat this process continuously. That means continuously we will mix and then repeating this process continuously. That means continuously you have to provide the heat. Then next step number 5, sometimes there will be a point at which no more salt can be dissolved in water. This stage is called saturation point, and this solution is referred to as a saturated solution. That means already maximum salt is mixed with the water. So now number 5 done. Next step, step number 6. Now filter the salt with the help of filter paper. Step 7, collect the filtrate in the glass bowl or the cool it. Then step 6, we will observe that the some fine crystal are formed in the bowl. So now step 8 done. So now finally next step, step number 9, the process of filtration can be separated. These crystals, the liquid left after the removal of the crystal is known as the mother liquid. So I think now this is done, and you have to write this all step in the calendar, backside of the calendar or the art paper. Also, you have to draw the diagram here. This diagram is properly given. This is now crystallization process. Step 1, solutions, lamp. Step 1 title name is the impure solid dissolved in a solvent. Figure number 2, the solution is heated and evaporate most of solvent. Now step 3 here, the hot solution is allowed to cool and the solid appears as a pure crystals. So now finally a separated crystal given here in the number 4 figure. So this is all. Dear students, if you like my content, you can subscribe my channel, and hope to see you all in the next assignment. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.